Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is the 5th of June, I believe, yes. So I'm not really on schedule for my bullet journal video, but it's the finals in this period, so videos will be loaded up a little bit later than scheduled, unfortunately. But anyways, here I am with my Aurelia Paper Blanks notebook. And in today's month, since it's June, beginning of summer more or less, I want to have some more of a floral theme, so I'll be using my Winsor & Newton Cotman watercolors. It's a reduced palette compared to the big one that I have, the big superior palette I have, but I'd like to stay a little bit more on the dollar and more pastel-ish kind of colors. I might maybe use also some shiny metallic watercolor paints and some pencil on top of it. I don't know, I still have to decide. Anyways, this is the material I'll be using today anyways. And let's start. Okay, so this is how my monthly overview is gonna be like. Again, it's the same pattern as all the other months because as I already said in other videos, this is the way I feel most comfortable with. It's very clear. I have a direct overview of my month, and all my appointments actually fit in here. Also, this month there's no class, there's no daily programming, so I don't need more than this for the moment. What I will add though is a more specific key of things that are going to happen. Now obviously, as I said, it was this period is the finals, so in my key I will add one shortcut for the exams, which, for example, this month I might make red, for example, right? Because it's important. So this is how it works. Exams, for example, I have an exam tomorrow, which is Saturday 6th. So I can use the lower part of the square to add all the things that are in the key. So since I have exam, it's red, I can color one little square the day I have exam. Same thing for the 8th. I also have an exam, so here it is. Then we have, since I have 3 aquariums, I want to keep track of the water changes. So first one is for the Lido. It's the name of the actual aquarium, so it's easier for me to remember. So water change Lido. And I have a guppy tank. For those who know fish, they know what a guppy is. And then I have a very small aquarium with shrimp in, so water change mini. Now what I want to do with this, obviously I'm going to give it a watercolor. So like blue or something to all of them. But I'm gonna put numbers in it. So 1, 2, 3. So whenever I'm going to do a water change, I'm going to do the same thing and add the number. So then this is that. Let's see. Then another is headache. I have often headaches, so I like to keep track of those. That's going to be a purple. Okay. And then deadline, I'm going to color code it. And I think I'm just gonna put an exclamation mark, okay, for deadlines. Okay. And then obviously I have the notes box for any additional information around, for example, appointments that I don't have here. For example, a street address or a phone number or something like that. So this is this. Then last 2 pages are going to be my YouTube stats and my expenses page. Okay, so as you can see here, I messed up a little bit. I don't know what happened, but while the paint was still wet, I put my hand on it, obviously. Clumsy me. So I try to wipe everything off by wetting the paper, and then with some tissue paper taking away the rest and going back on it. It's a bit messy, it's not ideal, but it could have ended up worse. So as you can see, this is the YouTube stats, so the basics, these are the basis for the graphics which I fill in at the end of each month. So I won't touch actually these 2 pages up until the very last day of the month, so I can actually calculate everything that's here, so see how the channel is going and how my expenses are going, and I do that at the end of every month, like I said. So yeah, now I'm gonna wait for this to dry up, and then we're going to do the final flip through. So this was it for today. I wish you a very happy day and see you next time. Bye!